This is a revision video about poles of a magnet. And what do we mean by a pole of a magnet? A pole of a magnet is where the magnetic field is strongest. So for example, if we've got a bar magnet and we've got north and south poles, the magnet is stronger at these 2 points here. If we have a horseshoe magnet, the magnetic fields are stronger at these points here. So pole of a magnet simply means where the magnetic field is strongest. We'll talk about magnetic fields more in the next revision video. If we bring poles close together, we get forces due to the interaction. If you've got the like poles, which means the same, they repel. Likewise, if we bring a south pole and a south pole together, they will repel. If we bring opposite poles together, so a north pole and a south pole, they will attract. Attraction and repulsion are non-contact forces. Magnets and magnetic poles do not need to be touching for them to experience a force, so it's a non-contact force. We have two different types of magnet. We have permanent magnets, such as bar magnets and horseshoe. They're always magnetic, so they're permanent magnets. And we also have induced magnets. And an induced magnet is anything that can be attracted to a permanent magnet. So for example, steel, iron, cobalt, nickel. And the way I remember this is skin, S-C-I-N, steel, cobalt, iron, nickel. It's really important to remember that copper is not a magnetic material. Copper is not an induced magnet. And induced magnets are always attractive. They always attract. You cannot get an induced magnet to repel. Only permanent magnets can repel. And if a material like aluminium or copper does nothing, it's simply not a magnetic material.